Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make aloe vera oil. We start by washing to remove the latex, which is the yellowish liquid substance coming out from the cut of aloe vera leaves. After washing them and they become clean, we proceed to remove the span along the edges of the aloe vera leaves. After removing the spans along the aloe vera leaf, next we cut into blendable size. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. After cutting the aloe vera into blendable size, transfer into a blender and blend smoothly. Please, you don't need to add water to aloe vera while blending. After blending and it becomes smooth, I'll be transferring it into a measuring cup to know the quantity of the blended aloe vera. So I'll transfer it into a cooking pot. Next, I'll be adding my carrier oil. Add to it carrier oil of same amount of the blended aloe vera. For carrier oil, you can use coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, or any oil of your choice. Next, we take to the heat and begin to cook. Cook on a medium heat. Stay at intervals so that it doesn't get burnt beneath. Cook until the water dries from it completely. Aloe vera oil has several health benefits, which include reducing dental plaques, accelerating wound healing, preventing wrinkles, managing blood sugar level. It also has antioxidant and antibiotics property. It reduces constipation, it helps in hair growth, and much more. As you can see from the video, the water has dried from it. Allow to cool down completely, then transfer into a sieve to separate the chaff from the oil. After separating the chaff from the oil, here is aloe vera oil. Transfer it to an airtight container, and this can last for a long time. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly click on the like button, comment and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.